If you're starting to think about paying for college, here's some good news. Almost 2/3 of college students receive some kind of scholarship. But there's a problem. Most families never get all the free money they're eligible for because they misunderstand how scholarships actually work. I'm Garcia. As a certified financial planner and author of How to Pay for College, I've helped thousands of families save millions of dollars on college. Maybe you've estimated your student aid index, seen a big number, and assumed that means you're paying full price, no scholarships for you. Or maybe you think scholarships are only for straight A students and star athletes. Neither of those is true. Every student is eligible for scholarships. The key is figuring out which kind you qualify for, and that's step one in the whole process. Scholarships fall into two main buckets: need-based aid and merit aid. Need-based financial aid fills the gap between a college's cost of attendance, or COA, and your student aid index, or SAI. Your student aid index is the number calculated by the FAFSA or the CSS profile if a college requires it. Here's a simple test. If your student aid index is less than the college's cost of attendance, you're eligible for need-based aid. If your student aid index is more than the cost of attendance, you're not eligible for need-based aid at that school. But that doesn't mean you're out of luck. It means you should be looking at merit scholarships instead. How do you find your student aid index before you start the application process? Two free tools. For the FAFSA, use the Department of Education Student Aid Estimator. For the CSS profile, use the College Board's EFC calculator. Neither is a guarantee. In particular, the CSS profile gives colleges some leeway in how they use your data, but if your income is fairly steady year to year, these are a great starting point. Here's the part that surprises people. Even though your student aid index is a fixed number, it doesn't mean that you're going to get the same offer for every school, or that you're automatically eligible or not eligible. Say a student has a student aid index of $35,000 and is applying to a mix of public and private colleges. At most public colleges, a $35,000 SAI probably means no need-based aid. At many private colleges with much higher cost of attendance, though, that same student could qualify for a lot of financial aid. And not every college offers both types of scholarships, so just being eligible on paper doesn't guarantee that anything actually shows up in your aid letter. This is why your financial situation should shape your college search, not just your admission chances. If your student aid index is high and you're not planning to pay full price, offers merit scholarships needs to be on your list of search criteria from the start. If you're likely eligible for need-based aid, make sure the colleges on your list actually meet full financial need, because not every school does. And no matter which category you fall into, file the FAFSA every single year for every student. It costs you nothing but time, and skipping it guarantees you'll get zero need-based aid, even if your situation changes and you'd suddenly qualify. Know your number, know your type, and build your college list around it. That's step one. If this video helped you understand scholarships, please do two things. Give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one, because we've still got plenty to get through together. I'm Garcia, and I'll see you again soon.